The Nastelle 101 Large Powder Brush. This brush is made from soft, high-grade goat hair. It has a slightly pressed shape and is the largest in the Nastelle brush range. The product is applied evenly along the contour lines of the face with soft, uniform motions. It provides a uniform powder application on the face, intense product applications, and face and body sculpting. The Nastelle 102 Powder Brush. This brush is made from soft, high-grade goat hair and has a slightly pressed shape. The product is applied evenly along the contour lines of the face with soft, uniform motions. It provides for easy and even powder applications, perfect for intense product applications and face and body sculpting. The Nastelle 104 Blush Brush. This is a very soft, mid-sized brush made from high-grade goat hair with a slightly pressed shape. It's excellent for brush application, perfect for highlighting, and works well for face sculpting. For powder use, apply along the contours of the face in uniform motions. For bronzers, apply under the cheekbones towards the temple. For blush, apply under the apples of the cheeks, toward the ear. The Nastelle 108 Foundation Brush. This brush is a large, flat-shaped brush made from sable. The 108 brush applies the product evenly, creating a smooth product layer, and due to its natural bristles, absorbs the extra fat on the oily skin. It's great for makeup base applications, allows for even and smooth applications of your foundation, works well for concealer applications for face sculpting, and recommended for oily skin. The Nastelle 109 Eyeshadow and Concealer Brush. This is a large-size eyeshadow brush with a flat shape and rounded corners made from sable hair. The 109 brush allows you to have a more saturated pigment on the eyeshadow applications. It works well for basic eye shades applications, offers great detail for concealer applications, and recommended for nose sculpting. The Nastelle 112 Eyeshadow Brush. This eyeshadow brush is made from sable hair with a flat shape and slightly rounded tips of the hair. It's ideal for eyeshadow application on large areas, great for applying shades on the entire eyelid and brow bone, and excellent for thin layer applications. The Nastelle 114 Eyeshadow Brush. This flat eyeshadow brush is made from sable hair. It's an ideal brush for dense and vivid shade applications. Recommended also for makeup base, concealers, aqua eyeshadows, and lipstick. And great for applying shades on the entire eyelid and brow bone. The Nastelle 115 Eyeshadow Brush. This is a flat brush made from sable hair, ideal for dense and bright eyeshadow applications. It's one of the best sellers in the eyeshadow brush collection. It's perfect for applying and blending eyeshadows, works well with concealers and gel textures, and recommended for aqua eyeshadow applications. The Nastelle 117 Angled Eyebrow and Eyeliner Brush. This is an angled brush made from synthetic bristles with a sharp, thin tip of the hair. It's perfect for brow defining with gel textures. It's ideal for drawing hair lines. It works well for eyeliner applications. It's also recommended for gel textures applications on the lash line, and the pressure on the brush defines the line thickness. The Nastelle 118 Eyeshadow Brush. This flat brush is made from natural hair for eyeshadow application. It's ideal for detailed work and applications in hard-to-reach areas of the eye. It works very well for both the lower and upper eyelid, perfect for applying dark shades or a shade highlighting, and recommended for dense and vivid applications. The Nastelle 122 Lip and Aqua Eyeshadow Brush. This is a flat brush made from synthetic bristles. It has a tongue shape, and it's used for a variety of applications. It's ideal for aqua eyeshadow and gel textures. Great for dark eyeshadow application in hard-to-reach areas, and used for lip and gloss uniform applications, accurately filling the small cracks and bumps on the lips. It's also recommended for concealing small areas of the face for maximum control and coverage, especially in hard-to-reach areas. The Nastelle 128 Eyeliner Brush. This brush has a fine-tipped head made from synthetic fibers. It's great for eyeliner and delivers precise, firm lines, thin or thick. You can use the brush with gel or liquid textures, and it's ideal for detailed drawing and artworks on the skin. The Nastelle 133 Eyeshadow and Highlighting Brush. This fluffy and very soft brush is made from squirrel hair and recommended for loose textures. It's great for nose sculpting and applying highlighter in specific areas of the face. Works well for powder fixing under the eyes and excellent for soft shading and spotlights. The Nastelle 134 Eyeshadow and Blending Brush. This is a flat brush with an oval shape made from squirrel hair. It's excellent for applying and blending eyeshadows on the eyelid and brow bone. Creates a smooth, perfect blend between the shades. Works well for creating spotlights and has a very soft hair texture. The Nastelle 135 Eyeshadow Brush. This small, rounded brush is made from soft squirrel hair. It's used for eyeshadow blending on the upper and lower corners of the eye, works well for detailed work, and excellent for fine blendings on the small areas without defined borders. The Nastelle 138 Eyeshadow Brush. This small rounded brush with a dome tip of the hair is made from natural hair. It's great for blending the upper and lower corner of the eye. Works well for detailed work and perfect for pencil blending and shade accents on the lash line. The Nastelle 141 Fan Brush. The fan brush is made from raccoon hair. It's an excellent tool for highlighting works. The bristle shape offers a light powder application on the chin, forehead, cheekbones, or nose. The Nastelle 142 Eyelash Brush. This is a brush made from synthetic fibers with a spiral pattern similar to the mascara wand. It's perfect for brow and eyelash grooming and shaping. It's used to separate hair or combing the brows and to apply the mascara on the eyelashes. The Nastelle 145 Brow and Lash Groomer. This is a double head comb and brush. It's ideal for grooming brows and used to separate lashes. The Nastelle 146 Foundation Brush. This is a tapered, flat synthetic brush designed to create a flawless and smooth finish. It applies liquid and creamy textures well, with no product absorption. It's used to apply primer or tinted moisturizer, excellent for foundation application, distribution, and blending, and recommended also for concealer applications around the eyes and contour of the face. The Nastelle 146 Foundation Brush. This is a tapered, flat synthetic brush designed to create a flawless and smooth finish. It applies liquid and creamy textures well, with no product absorption. It's used to apply primer or tinted moisturizer, excellent for foundation application, distribution, and blending, and recommended also for concealer applications around the eyes and contour of the face. The Nastelle 147 Concealer and Aqua Eyeshadow Brush. This brush features a tapered brush made from synthetic bristles with a flat brush head, designed for liquid and creamy products, and provides great coverage. It's great for primer applications on the eyelid, works well for applying the watercolors, and recommended for concealer applications and blending on a larger area. The Nastelle 148 Concealer and Aqua Eyeshadow Brush. This is a flat and slightly tapered brush made from synthetic bristles, designed for liquid and creamy products. It's used to work with gel textures and watercolors, recommended to conceal large areas of the face, and the brush bristles do not absorb the product and distribute the product well. The Nastelle 154 Blending Brush. This dome, round-shaped brush is made from squirrel hair. It's the best-selling brush in the Nastelle range. It's ideal for eyeshadow blending, recommended for shading the crease of the eye, creates the softest effect for blending, and perfect for smoky eyes. The Nastelle 200 Eyeshadow Brush. This is a small flat brush made from natural hair for eyeshadow application. It's ideal for detailed work and applications in hard-to-reach areas of the eye. Recommended for underneath eye area and contour of the eye on the upper eyelid, and recommended for dense and vivid applications. The Nastelle 204 Blush Brush. This is a very soft, mid-sized brush made from high-grade goat hair with an egg shape. Due to its shape, size, and softness of the bristles, the 204 is the perfect tool for sculpting, highlighting, and applying the brush. It's perfect for face sculpting, excellent to apply blush, and works well for highlighting the prominent zones of the face. The Nastelle 214 Eyeshadow and Eyebrow Brush. This is a flat brush with a straight hair tip made from sable, used with gel, creamy, powder, or liquid textures. It's perfect for shading the brows by filling in with the powder. Excellent for fixing the eyeliner with eyeshadows due to its straight hair tip, and recommended for eyeliner blending. The straight brush head allows exact line placement. It's great for pressing the color on the waterline, and works well for coloring the base of the lower and upper lashes with mascara. The Nastelle 217 Angled Eyebrow Brush. This is an angled brush made from natural hair with a sharp, firm tip. It's used to fill the brows with powder and define them. Ideal for applications on the upper and lower eyelid base, and great for drawing perfect and clear lines. The Nastelle 218 Eyeshadow Brush. This eyeshadow brush is made from natural hair with a tongue shape. The longer the hair tip is, the softer the shade application will be. The shorter, the denser the application. It's ideal for eyeshadow applications, used for gel textures application in the deeper zones of the eyes, and recommended to be used for aqua eyeshadows. The Nastelle 222 Lip and Concealer Brush. This is a flat brush with an oval shape made from sable. It's great for concealer textures. Great shape for lipstick and gloss applications, used for gel textures. The Nastelle 222 Lip and Concealer Brush. This is a flat brush with an oval shape made from sable. It's great for concealer textures. Great shape for lipstick and gloss applications, used for gel textures. The Nastelle 234 Eyeshadow and Blending Brush. This is a flat brush with an oval shape and is made from squirrel hair. It's excellent for applying and blending eyeshadows on the eyelid and brow bone. Creates a smooth, perfect blend between the shades. Works well for creating spotlights. It can be used also for star powder and has a very soft hair texture. The Nastelle 304 Powder and Blush Brush. This brush is made from extra soft white goat hair with a pointed shape. It's excellent for soft blush applications and highlighting. Works well for face sculpting and recommended for dense powder applications with extra fat absorption properties. The Nastelle 317 Eyebrow and Eyeshadow Brush. This brush features a small, flat, and straight hair tip made from sable. This is a smaller and shorter version of the Nastelle 214 brush. It's perfect for shading the brows by filling in with powder. Great for fixing the color on the waterline, and the straight brush head allows exact line placement. The Nastelle 337 Eyebrow and Eyelash Brush. This double-in brush features an angled brush on one side and an eyelash brush on the other. It's perfect for brow and eyelash grooming, shaping, and brow defining with gel textures, combing the brows, or to apply the mascara on the eyelashes. It's ideal for drawing hairlines and works well for eyeliner applications. It's also recommended for gel texture applications on the lash line. The pressure on the brush defines the line thickness. The Nastelle 360 Cream and Liquid Foundation Brush. This buffered flat brush is made with very dense synthetic fibers. Use it softly on the skin in a circular motion. It works well for blending foundation and mineral powders and offers a perfect high definition and smooth finish.